Hey guys, we've made it the end of the semester. Finally, through all the drama and the changes and the emergency situation, we've completed spring 2020. Okay, so a few things to wrap up the class. So this is the last video from me. There is no Monday prompt. We're done with that. Also, there are student evaluations still for this semester. And so the university has sent out a link to you through your email so that you can complete your evaluations of this class and of me in this class. Okay. So I'll give you some incentive. Um, if you get 75% of your class to complete the student evaluations, I'll give you a half a point towards your final grade. If 100% of your class completes the student evaluations, then you get one whole point towards your final score. Okay. So let's try our hardest to get those student evaluations done and completed. You can be as honest as you want. I see them after the semester is over. I don't know who wrote what, but any kind of feedback is helpful for me so that moving forward, I can make this class better for the rest of the students. So your feedback is much appreciated. I will also include the link to the evaluations in the announcements where I post this video. Okay. So last and oh well, also there's extra credit. Reminds you, extra credit paper is up and can be and is due Friday of this week. So if you want to get a couple extra points to help improve your grade, the extra credit is an option. So that paper is posted on UB Learns. Finally, it's been a pleasure having you guys in class. The first 8 weeks was great. I really enjoy teaching each of you and learning from you, and I hope that you're able to walk away from this class with a better understanding about the writing process, what it takes to create a business communication message that's clear and concise, understanding that the writing process is planning and being prepared before you write. Then you write your message, whatever it might be, email, report, whatever that is, and then you finally will review it. You review and then you submit it, or you send it through email, or you have somebody review or send it to whoever it needs to go to, right? So there is a process. Try to utilize that process throughout the rest of your courses because that will help you to write better. Also, there are some of you that still need a little bit of help with your writing skills. And so I do highly recommend that you go to the Writing Center. They are still up and running online virtually. So go to their website and you'll be able to see where you can set up an appointment. It is a they are a very useful tool to help improve your clarity of writing and your writing sentence structure or whatever kind of skills that you want to build within your writing repertoire. So it's been a pleasure. If we're up and running again face to face in the fall, please come and see me. My office is 259 Jacob Center. I'd love to see you. I'd love to catch up and chat with you. Also, please make sure that you're doing the student evaluation because those help me to better the class and really try to provide students what they're looking for. So it's been a pleasure. I really enjoy teaching each and every one of you. I hope that you're able to get something out of the course and come and see me. So enjoy the summer. Please relax after the semester. Once everything is done, just relax and enjoy the fact that the semester is over. So really take some time to enjoy the fresh air, enjoy your family, and your me time and self care. Okay. So it was a pleasure. I will see you guys in the fall, hopefully, if you want to come visit. And good luck with your future endeavors. All right. Professor O'Malley is out.